English ivy is a clinging evergreen pine or a very good ornamental plant. It can grow vertically, it can grow in hanging basket also. You can use it to cover your wall or to make a beautiful hanging. And this plant is native to most of Europe and Western Asia, but nowadays it is growing all over the world, and this is a very good ornamental plant. And I have this variegated type. I just bought it from a nursery, and you can see this is growing. Springtime and summertime is the growing time for English ivy, and fall autumn is blooming time, but in winter I got this one only. So English ivy requires bright sunlight, part shade or full shade it can grow, but harsh sunlight wilt the plant. But a little bit bright sunlight area is good for English ivy, and it likes the fertile and moist soil. You can use liquid fertilizer in every month. You can use the mustard cake soluble water. sorry for my voice. And the most important thing is that you have to make a very well drained loose soil. You can use vermicompost, one third little garden soil, and one third sand. And I am using here a little bit of dry leaves from my garden, and some vermicompost, some soil, and sand to make the soil very light and very humid, and the vermicompost will produce the food for plant. A little bit water you have to spray, and you have to give. English ivy doesn't like very much water. It doesn't like the soggy soil, where you have to make very loose and very well drained soil for it. And moderate temperature is good for English ivy. It doesn't like so much cold and so much hot. Moderate temperatures is good for it, and it can grow easily if you make the environment perfect for it. It naturally goes well in soil in under of a big tree or in a tree stem, but in home we can make that environment for English ivy. We can make it a beautiful hanging, or we can use it in a balcony corner to cover the wall like that. I'm using a plastic oil can. I'm reusing it, and I just use some sand and some stone chips to cover the hole, and I'm pouring the soil mixture. And the propagation of English ivy is very easy. It's very easy for this trailing plant, because you can see the node. Every node has a root. So by stem cutting with the node, it can grow easily. You can put it in water for 2 to 3 weeks, and you can see the root is coming, where the white hairy roots are coming. So then you can pour it in a soil. So in nursery they use coco peat to hold the water much more longer, but I'm not using here coco peat, because I think the coco peat will hold the moisture, and it can coco peat can cause root rot. So trimming will help to get a compact and bushy ivy. If you pinch and if you trim the edge, so it will grow by side, and it will grow like bush. The English ivy's main problem is the fungus attack. So I'm using here fungicide water first time, and you have to spray fungicide water every 15 days or every 20 days. If you see any aphids or mites, then you have to use neem oil water or any shampoo or water soluble shampoo, shampoo with water. So it is very poisonous for health, so keep English ivy away from child or away from human and pets if you have. So this will help. Of water after plantation, so I will quit to giving water for 5 to 7 days. If the soil dry, I will see, I will check the soil is dry, then I will give the water. So it doesn't like much more water in soil, but you should give a moist or you should give a humid weather by spraying it. Or so bye bye friends, take care, we'll meet you soon.